Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the mining news here on Commodity TV. Today we want to talk about Aurania Resources, Fury Gold Mines, Karora Resources, Skeena Resources and IsoEnergy. Aurania Resources announced a positive update on exploration and corporate activities at its Los Chiquis Cutucu project in southeastern Ecuador. As such, Dr. Keith Berman and Dr. Richard Spencer, representing Aurania, met with the Ecuadorian President Guillermo Lasso in August 2021 to discuss the company's responsible exploration programs. In doing so, President Lasso reiterated his support for responsible mining as an economic driver for Ecuador. In addition, the company currently has two wells in operation, one at Senken-1 and the other one at Tiria Shimpia. Drilling at Senken-1 has demonstrated a link to the Tiria Shimpia target with a change from a copper-centered zone in the Senken area to a zinc-rich zone in the Tiria Shimpia target area. Reconnaissance drilling on both targets is continuing and will hopefully provide some more good results. Drilling on the epithermal gold-silver systems will also resume later this year, while management refines and prioritizes various targets that continue to surface in the southwestern portion of the project area. We are sticking with it. Aurania is on to something really big. A corporate and exploration update was also announced by Fury Gold Mines. On the corporate side, there was a change with the appointment of Tim Clark as the new CEO. With this comes a change in the group strategy, which will focus even more on exploration and discovery of the company's core Eau Claire and Committee Bay assets, while also including a strategic review of non-core assets. Capital expenditure is to be adjusted so that at least 70% of funds are spent on exploration and drilling activities, and cash expenditure is to be reduced through certain strategic initiatives. On the exploration side, approximately 32,000 meters of drilling have been completed at Eau Claire, with 28 wells released and 10 wells currently pending from the Snake Lake and Western Limb Extension targets. A further 4 of 9 regional targets are being advanced to drill stage through geochemical and geophysical surveys focused on the 6.5 kilometer Percival Trend, and planning is underway for drilling of the high-grade Percival target for the first half of 2022. Similarly, a surface exploration program is to commence at the Eleanor South joint venture to advance a large-scale 5.5 kilometer geochemical anomaly to the drilling stage. The nearly 2,600 meter 5-hole drill program completed over the summer at Committee Bay focused on the 8 kilometer shear zone that hosts the Raven property, where alteration and veining consistent with gold mineralization was intersected. Results from this year's summer drill program are expected in mid-October. A total of 17 drill holes are pending at the Eau Claire and Committee Bay gold projects and are expected to be released in the coming months. Fury continues to go full throttle, and we view the stock as really undervalued. Karora Resources is among the world's first carbon-neutral gold producers. Congratulations, guys! By purchasing and retiring 80,000 tons of verified carbon offset credits, it can achieve carbon neutrality for its own operations. That is Scope 1. Those are Scope 1 emissions, and purchase power consumptions, which are Scope 2 emissions, in 2021 already. This announcement is one of the many steps in the broad strategy to reduce greenhouse gas emissions outlined in the company-wide emissions reduction plan. Karora is doing a great job, and the stock is totally undervalued. Time to get in, guys. Skeena Resources is initiating a 35,000 meter regional and near-mine exploration drilling program at the SK Creek Gold-Silver project in British Columbia's Golden Triangle. To this end, a surface helicopter-borne drill rig is already active on the project, testing the strike extensions of the 22 zone, and additional drill rigs will be added as they become available. Primary targets include the strike and depth extensions of the 22 zone, as well as rock and soil anomalies occurring along the main SK trend from the 21A zone south towards the 22 zone and Tommy K zones. Another highlight is that a feasibility study for SK Creek is expected to be completed in the first quarter of 2022 already. We like Skeena a lot, and the company is doing everything right. Following the completion of drilling at the Geiger property, IsoEnergy was able to restart drilling at Larocque East, where the high-grade Hurricane Zone uranium deposit is located. Diamond drilling at Larocque East will include 30 drill holes totaling 12,000 meters with 3 objectives: extension, infill and exploration. Among other objectives, 12 holes are planned to extend the extent of the hurricane zone, drilling on both the west and east sides of the zone. Diamond drilling at Geiger was completed back in August. 12 diamond drill holes totaling over 4,400 meters analyzed an area where historical drill holes returned anomalous results. Geological interpretation is underway and geochemical assay results are expected in a few weeks. IsoEnergy is running really smoothly, and with rising uranium prices, the stock should continue to perform well as it did the last weeks. Please note the disclaimer superimposed. The companies presented are or may become part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate. Thanks for watching us, and bye bye from Switzerland.